What's up, YouTube world? It's Jeff. I got awesome Adam in the car with me as my shotgun rider. The two of us are currently on 283. It is just after 5:45 Tuesday evening, January 21st. And we're actually on our trip, second journey down to Whitmoyer Buick Chevrolet in the Mount Joy, Pennsylvania area. Whitmoyer was hosting the C8 reveal, huge event. One of the first dealership visits in the area, if not the first visit in the area. And we're gonna go check the car out. We got a sneak preview last night as they were setting up the event, and we were not allowed to poke under the covers. We tried a little bit, but it didn't happen. So we're going back, hopefully this late in the evening. The crowd should be broken down a little bit, and we should be able to get some time, a little bit of personal time with the car. Anything you want to add in, buddy? Dude, don't leave me hanging here. I got you all piped up. It's your turn. You gonna talk or leave me out? That's it. He's trying to start his own YouTube channel. Awesome Adam. He's also on Instagram as Broski60. I think he's got almost 50 people on the Instagrams and maybe 12 or 15 on YouTube. So let's check him out as well. Let's get him going. And we'll see you guys at Whitmoyer. We just pulled up at Whitmoyer. We got little dude Adam. We got the giant highlighter ZL1 that matches his beanie. We got Mike's Z that way, and everything good tucked away over there. So I'm here with Adam. We just had Mr. Beaver, Matthew over here, pop the front trunk for us. And the first thing that Adam sees is this little button right here. Okay, Adam, what was your question?
So, starters, what that button does is if you're stuck in there, press it, the trunk pops up, okay? So, starters, who goes in there? Okay, let's just start off with that. Like, what's the point of going in there? Like, it's not like you're going to reach for something and then just like tumble in. Like, that's not going to happen, okay? And also, like, I know I might be small, and I'm probably able to fit in there, but like, I wouldn't even like want to try, because like, if I'm not, everything's just going to hurt at the end and it's not going to be worth it. Like, what's the point of it? Like, I don't understand.
The problem we have here, and Adam's a little bit lucky that all these people are here around this car, because I think he'll fit in there. I think if Mr. Corporate GM was not watching over our shoulders, we could get him in this little hole and stuff him in. You don't think you fit?
Oh no, I really do think I fit.
I think you'd fit. I think you'd fit real good. Maybe when Mike buys his, we'll have to give him a call and see if we can stuff you in the front trunk there.
Maybe.
Let's go look at the back trunk too.
It's comfortable. Like, I can't really reach. This part go up. It comes up, so now I can still not reach.
What do you think about it though? What's the inside like? Take a look over here. Look at all the controls. Everything is facing you as the driver. So nobody really cares about the passenger. Yep. So this screen right here is a full TV display. This one right here is a secondary display. And you have all the controls right here in the center stack. I'm talking over as I point, bud.
This is sick.
What do you think? You like it?
Okay. So like, so that's the engine. This is sick. Okay, let me figure this out. Yeah.
Can I see your driver's license, please?
Already going. Okay, guys, we're here with the giant TV display next to the seats, behind the car, and we're gonna build our Corvette C8. I want the coupe. Where's the next button? I'll just click on that. Fine.
Oh, I didn't get that.
I'm stuck between either the Long Beach, the Elkhart Lake, or the Rapid. We're gonna do that one for today. Performance wheels. I don't know, buddy. There's a bunch of different wheels. We'll go with the accessory Trident. That's a
Bright
good
red,
looking wheel.
bright red, bright red.
Bright red or the edge red?
Bright red.
Awesome Adam says bright red.
Bright red.
Makes it bright red. Exterior accents. How's that look? Black. No. Cancel. I want the ground effects. We're gonna do the carbon flash. Which engine cover though? Black, red, cool. I like either the appearance package or the red. Hey, you gotta keep it on here, man.
I know, I'm trying.
Red.
It's hard.
Trim level.
Whoa, I didn't get that.
Ooh, choices.
Black.
We're gonna, I don't know, man. I'm
Black.
gonna do this. We're gonna do the 3LT. Pick that. And then we go to interior colors. Two-tone blue.
It's so weird because this is like slanted like this. So like.
Let me take it two-tone blue. That'd be kind of cool. Look at that.
For me, it didn't show you the whole car.
Look at that. Inside, outside. And then going to the seats.
Blue.
That's a lot of blue though. I'm gonna do a black seat.
Bro, he's so bad at like
Black seat.
having things clash.
Two-tone.
Like,
Can I click on these? What are we clicking on over here?
I'm disappointed in him.
It's loaded. I'm gonna confirm it. Whatever. Sure.
Whatever, sure.
Click on the headlights.
Jeff, you're going to hate me after you watch this video.
I know. That's why I'm deleting once you're done.
Ta. That's what she said. Oh,
He's still recording.
I know.
He's still recording. This is what the car would look like. Oh, we can put the roof on. Boop. Turn the headlights on. Did it take it? I don't know if it took it. Oh, it did. You can just see it right there. Maybe not. I don't know. So, I don't know if I like that white interior. We're going to play around with it when we get home. Maybe we'll get one, maybe we won't. Who knows? Should the 11-year-old buy a Corvette C8?
I'm okay with that.
Or should he buy the Huracan Performante or the Huracan Evo that he keeps talking about?
That's for when I'm older, when I'm like ancient like him.
Ancient like me, he says,
Yeah.
guys. Ancient like me. We'll see.
Yeah.
A lot of color choices, a lot of wheel choices. Beaver's got me set on the GT2. He calls it a hybrid between the one and the comp. I do like the side bolster on the competition, but it's a little bit too high. And sitting in the GT2, which is in the demo car right now, is a good height. So that might be an option as well. But we'll see. For sure not getting a first build 2020, but maybe I'll do a late model, maybe even a 2021. Well, that's the video. Because this guy right here, we're leaving. It is just after 7 o'clock. The function is ending. The dealership is open until 8 o'clock, but the Team Corvette crew is getting ready to tear down the whole display, pack things up, try to get some info out of the guy from the marketing team. Turns out they're not going to be moving the car until about 9 o'clock.
And also, I am able to fit in the trunk.
He can fit in the trunk. That is what we determined. We'll have to find out how we figured that one out. But based on the people in the facility and protocol, they're not starting the car until about 9 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock at least. And this guy's got school tomorrow and he's cold, so we're heading out. But until the next video, maybe do we stuff Austin Adam into the trunk of a C8? Do we wait for delivery of Mike so we can do it and follow the shenanigans rules? Who knows? Check this out. Maserati GT. We got the Shelby next to it, and then a couple bays with another Maz coming along. So that's it. Whitmoyer is always a good time if you're looking to buy a Vet or anything else. Give our buddy Beaver a holler, and he will help you out. Until next time, catch you guys later.